Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Thursday. Just kind of getting caught up on a few things, guys. It's been a really busy week. So first and foremost, I want to tell you, yesterday the system, my day trading system on the Nasdaq, got absolutely slaughtered, which is interesting because the market really went basically straight up. However, the way that the price action was, it was pretty choppy, and there were some dramatic moves down and then back up. It just the way it worked out, guys. There were 14 trades with 13 losers. Yeah, you heard that right. I am self-confessing that there were 14 trades and 13 losses. But just stay tuned, because I want to show you guys the numbers for the week. I haven't done today's yet, so we'll run through that real quick. But first and foremost, guys, there were a couple of trades on the forex that got stopped out. Now, there was one that I didn't get posted. And look, I'm just trying to show these to you guys so that you have an idea of how everything's going. I can't get everything posted soon. Again, maybe after this weekend I'll have my site ready to where I can at least get up and set up like an email account where I could push some stuff out once in a while to you guys through email. The euro yen, there was an L24 trade right here, and it just got completely ran over. Okay, I did not get that one posted out. The was it the euro Aussie? There have been a couple of trades here. This one, I think it was this one. It was really unfortunate because it was so damn close to target, and then yeah, it was this one, right? No, was not this one. All right, so there actually was a trade on this one here. You have this sell zone right here inside the daily sell zone. So the entry here is 1.5332, and I'd be looking for a 100 pip move on this one. 332. Yeah. So. All right, so if you look at the ATR on this, so you have an ATR of 23. Now I'm going to go to my spreadsheet here in a little bit, but wait, hold on, where's I need to get my calculator out? What the heck? I don't have my dang phone down here. Hold on, I got to pause the video. Okay, got it. So if you remember when I was first showing this strategy, I would place 2 trades in here. Well, what I decided to do was just increase my risk instead of placing 2 trades. So instead of risking a 1 ATR to make a 5 ATR, but then taking it twice, what I'm doing is I'm risking about a 1.75 ATR total. So that actually gives me less overall risk, and I'll show you the numbers on it, and I'll show you why I want to do it that way. So this trade here, my stop would be 35 pips, which would still keep me in this trade. And I'd be looking for a target down here at 1.5232. Okay, so there's the euro Aussie. Let's see, I've got the euro yen on here. Oops, let me just go to recents. Actually, we just went through this one, didn't we? Oh, no, we didn't. Okay, so this one set up last night. You have an L24 in here, and again, this one has a my ATR, if it's over 20, I just round it down to 20. So this is gonna have a 35 pip stop as well, and a 100 pip target. So he still has a ways to go. That's on the euro yen. And then let's see, euro Aussie. Maybe this was the one that was just really a shame. No. That's the one I just showed you. Pound Aussie. Okay, so this is the one that actually is a shame. So here's the L24 trade right here. It gets stopped out by 1 pip Okay, right down here. And then it just goes straight up. Now, it still would not have hit target, but it actually got another trade. So you can see right here, this buy zone is inside of the weekly buy zone, so it's back in basically at the same price, 1 pip higher. And again, looking for a 100 pip move. So I need this thing to get up to 1.7408. All right, now let me show you guys some quick math. So if I use a 2 ATR stop, you can see right here my I don't know why this thing is doing that. It just keeps doing it. And it's back. Ignore this. It's like Christmas lights or something. It's built in there for you guys. So if I use a 2 ATR stop and a 5 ATR target, the numbers aren't bad, right? Profit factor's over 2. Got a 13% return based on a standard account, risking 1% of my account per trade. Okay. Now, if I change this to a 1.5, I'm making just a little bit more. I'm losing more, but about the same return. Now let's go 1.75. You can see actually a pretty big difference, right? 16% return, nice jump in the profit factor. So as I get more data in here, I'm gonna get a better idea of where I want to land. But so far, looking pretty good at 1.75. Let me save that. And now let's move over to the Nasdaq and let's look at the Nasdaq from today. Okay, so here's the open for the day. You can see that my 15-minute is neutral, and I'm green on my 5, so no trading for me. And today was interesting because if you look at that 5-minute zone, look how many times it held. And I want to show you, if you wait for like your money pattern or your weaker high, it actually did really well today. So there was no money pattern here, so you would have missed that one. And again, no trades yet. But look, here we go, guys. Look, it goes back into the zone right here, and you have a weaker high. So you'd have a nice little entry there on the weaker high. Didn't quite get down to target. Comes back in and gives you another weaker high, and this one went straight down to target. Okay, still no trades. Real choppy today. Like I said, we can go through this pretty fast. Would not have had a chance to get in on this one, which was at the 5-minute zone. But here you go. You got a weaker high here, and that one went straight down to target as well. So very useful out of these 5-minute zones. Now, hold on. Do I have any trades in here? No. Make sure I didn't have one down here. Nope. No. Okay. Still no trades. This was a shame because it was just barely outside of the 5-minute zone. Otherwise, would have been a nice little trade there. Still have nothing to do until right here. So you can see this 5-minute zone on the right here never was taken out. So you need to envision it's still there. And I don't know why it stopped printing, but this is inside that zone. So I would have had a trade right here and then stopped out, and then another trade right here. And this would have had a 2-point. It has an ATR of 2, so it's going to have an 8-tick stop, and it's going to have a 44-tick target. So, see, 950. So that's going to take me to what? 1950, 2050, and there's your target. So there's 1 loss and 1 win. Okay, now because I had a win, remember I have to have a reset. So here's my red zone. Now I need to have a green zone and break the green zone. Okay, here's a green zone, and we break it. Okay, so now I can start looking for another trade. Now, unfortunately, this was really unfortunate. Right here, guys, that 15-minute chart. Actually, hold on one second. Yeah, see, it doesn't actually turn red until 2:30, and this is 2:29. So that's not a trade. All right, so we'll just continue. And you have a trade right here, red and red. This would have a 1.5 point stop. So there's 2 losses. Actually, yeah, just 2 losses. So just 1 trade there. So you have 2 losses. And am I inside that zone on the 15-minute? Okay, the bottom of that zone is at 20.50. Wait, no, 20 quarter. So 20 quarter to 19.50. That is not 2 ticks, so there's actually no trade there. And that's too bad, because that would have been another nice trade. So you can see it's just the way luck has had it lately. I've missed some trades just barely. So anyway, so today you had 1 win, and what was it? Was it 2 losses? You had a loss here. And then we had the zone in the zone. Right here. Loss here, win there. Okay, so that was the first trade. Sorry guys, bear with me for a second. $29.50 to $30.50. So, okay, so that's not in the zone. Trade there. Yeah, okay. So 2 losses and 1 win. So let me go throw that in here. But one thing I want to show you real quick, guys. So Tuesday was a really good trading day. I had 3 wins and 7 losses. So it was a really good day. Then yesterday was 13 losses and 1 win. Only down $50 a contract. That is what I love about this strategy. And this is after commissions, guys. Okay, so need to add in 2 more losses. So 22 and 1 win. And that's going to bring me positive on the week. Even though I'm only trading at 19% win percentage, I am positive on the week. Okay, gang. Hope you're enjoying the analysis, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.